Initially, when you perform the action of blowing upon it, a gentle exhalation of air, it responded by being picked up, indicating a certain susceptibility to even minor air currents, and demonstrating its delicate nature. This initial interaction, a simple act of breath, was sufficient to cause it to be lifted. However, a significant change occurred with the introduction of the glasses. These optical aids, when utilized in conjunction with your breath, amplified or focused the effects in a profound manner. Consequently, when you exhale with even greater force, or perhaps with a more concentrated stream of air directed through the aid of these glasses, the object state underwent a dramatic and irreversible transformation. It began to diminish, to dissipate, to the point where it is now almost entirely gone, having nearly vanished from sight. This stark and alarming contrast is particularly noteworthy when considering its previous state. It is crucial to recall and emphasize that this very object, which is now on the verge of complete disappearance and dissolution, once held a substantial value or quantity. Specifically, it used to be at a significant numerical value of 114. This numerical value, whether representing a count, a measurement, a previous state of being, or an original quantity, highlights the drastic and profound transformation it has undergone due to these actions, especially the amplified and intensified effect observed with the assistance of the glasses.